In this quick guide, we'll show you how to map out an area for your robot mower so you can define exactly where you want it to work on your section. First, open the Mammotion app and connect to your robot mower. Tap on the picture of the mower and then select Maps. The app will rotate horizontally so you can control the mower with your phone. Click Create and then select Area. Before starting, make sure the mower is positioned at the edge of the area you want to map out, and then select Start Mapping a Task Area. You can zoom in on the map by pinching your fingers on the screen to get a better idea of where your mower is on the section. Use the joysticks provided to manually control the mower around the perimeter of your mowing area. The left joystick will drive the mower forward and backward, while the right joystick steers it left to right. If you go off course, you can easily reverse and adjust your path before continuing. As you drive around the area, you can see on the app in real time what is being mapped out. Keep mapping the entire area until you return to the starting point. The app will let you know when mapping is complete and ask if you'd like to save the mowing area. Once you finish the area and save the map, it will turn green and be given an area number. If for some reason you've made a mistake or need to extend the area, you can modify this by clicking on Edit and then selecting the task area you want to modify. Control the robot to the perimeter of where you're wanting to make the changes and then click Start Modify. You will need to start and finish on part of the old perimeter for changes to take effect. And that's it. Your robot mower will now automatically mow within this defined area every time you have it scheduled to. Easy as that.